Alright, now the question is, does handwriting matter in Ielts? Right? Now, if your handwriting is readable, then it is fine. And if what you write, only you can read it, or sometimes even you don't know मैं की लिख बैठा, हाँ पता नहीं मैं की लिख रहा सी उस वक्त मेरे दिमाग में क्या आया कि मैंने ये दो चार मच्छर मार दिए यहाँ पे. Now I don't understand. Then it actually does matter, right? Now listen, as far as your handwriting is concerned, your handwriting should be readable. Readable handwriting, the first thing. The second thing is, try to write every letter clearly. Be careful with the letter like C, E, F and T. Because F is like this and T is like that. Sometimes your F looks like T and T looks like F, right? But examiner will not give you the benefit of doubt. That okay, this must be T, this must be F. So your handwriting should be clear, easy to read, easy to understand, then it is fine. Right? Now, if your handwriting is, like you say, illegible or ambiguous, cannot be understood easily, your C and E are same, then there can be problems. Alright? So this is how you can deal with writing thing in IELTS writing module. Second, when it comes to listening and reading, I would advise you for listening and reading always use capital letter. Capital letter में हमारी writing सही होती है. वो हमारी पढ़ती है तो small letters पे आके पढ़ती है. Okay, capital is fine. Capital A, B, C, D and all that. So listening and reading, there you can use capital letters. Writing, there you can use small and capital because they will check all these things. So there you should improve. Otherwise you can go do one thing. School के सामने कोई book shop होती है ना, स्कूल के साथ उन्हें कहें जी मुझे वर्क बुक दे दें हैंड राइटिंग इंप्रूव करने की. छोटी ABC, वड्डी ABC, दरमियानी ABC, बहुत वड्डी ABC, बहुत छोटी ABC. So you can just, I mean, they're the dotted lines. Dotted lines में वो आपको लिखना सिखाएंगे. So it will take only 1 to 2 days and you can improve that. Now don't worry, अगर आपकी writing readable है, easy to understand, then there is no problem. Don't worry. बहुत खूबसूरत writing पे एक बैंड extra मिलता है. मिलते हैं? Not at all. Not at all. It's not right. Okay? So just focus. It should be readable and don't write in a hurry. You'll be fine.